Part 2 of practicing makeup until I become my own professional MUA. So first, I started by prepping my face using the Uzo Stem Cell Duo, followed by the Nivea sunscreen. And now we're going to use this Prep and Prime from MAC. So now let's wait until it dries. Now I'm stuck between choosing the foundation look or no foundation look. So that means you'll have to stick around to see which option I'll go with. It has already dried, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I like my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. So
I feel good early, knew that I would not. I feel good, murder.
to outline the eyebrows, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So for the eyes, I usually use the Pro Conceal, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So onto the eyeshadow, and we're going to use Karabeauty. Yes. We're going to use this color, just a simple color. I forgot to use the tape, so let's do that now. So a darker color, I'm going to go for black. So I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer, and I'm going to use an eyeshadow from MAC. Now it's time for the eyeliner, and we're going to use the black liquid eyeliner from Uzo. So this is how it looks like. I actually like the liner. It's amazing and it's long lasting. So let's continue. Next one is the foundation, and I'm going to use one from Maybelline. Concealer time. Forgot to mention that I'm using two concealers, the lighter one from Urban Decay, that's the Quickie concealer, and the darker one, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I'm going to use the Fit Me from Maybelline as our contour. Let's trust the process and see how this turns out. Remember, do not be afraid to be seen trying. There's only growth when you try and show up. If you've seen my videos, you already know that my favorite blush is from Urban Decay, the Hydromaniac blush in the shade Dripping. Time for our setting powder. Onto the contour powder. This is my favorite part, and that's the lip combo, and I'm going to use the NYX lip cream and also the brown liner. Just look at that. It already looks stunning, and we haven't applied the lip cream yet. Time for the lip cream. This is how it looks, and let's finish this look off with a lip gloss. Time to set the whole makeup look using the Urban Decay setting spray. Waiting for the setting spray to dry up, and this is the final look. What do you think, guys? Tell me, how did this look turn out?